Alright, for this lesson we're going to learn how to convert index and exponential form to logarithmic form. Let's say we have this y equals to a to the power x. This can be converted to x equals to log a to the power y. Okay, you can convert this back to this as well. So you can convert logarithmic form back to log a to the power x also. But this comes with certain conditions. Okay, a must be positive. Okay, a cannot be 1. Alright, so this is the index or exponential form that we are talking about. Okay, when you have something to the power of something, that's an index form, and this is your logarithmic form. Okay, do note that the bases in this case are a. Okay, the bases are a, and the index is x. Alright, the indexes are x. So the bases in both forms are the same. Therefore, the logarithm is actually the index. Okay, so let me give you a real example, because if I don't give you an example, you probably won't be able to see it. So, okay, let's convert index or exponential form to logarithmic form. Okay, example 1. Okay, let's look at 4 squared equals to 16. Okay, remember that the logarithm is the index. So in this particular case, if you attach log 4 to both sides, okay, you will get log 416 on the right. Okay, now log 4 will be 1. Okay, and then we get a 2 on the left hand side, log 416. There you go. It's very simple. If you want to reverse it, okay, if you want to reverse it, all you have to do is take, okay, 4 to be the base, 4 to the power 2 equals to 16. That's it. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, to clarify this, okay, 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. Okay, now this is 2, right? Can I attach log 2 to both sides? Okay. Okay, now log 2. The reason why I want to attach log 2, I want to attach log 2 to both sides is so that this becomes 1. Okay, this becomes 1. Log a will always be equals to 1, remember that. So what we have is 5 here. Alright, log 232. Okay, once again, if you want to reverse it, by reversing it means you want to convert from logarithmic form to exponential form. All you have to do is take this to be the base, 2 to the power of 5, and that will give you 32. Alright, yet another example, 10 to the power of 3 is equals to 1000. Okay, this is 10. Alright, so can I attach log 10 to both sides? Log base 10 okay, and log 10 to 1000. Now remember, log 10 which is log AA, base A to A, okay, will give you 1. Okay, so this will give you 1 times 3 will give you 3 on the left hand side, and this is your answer. Okay, yet another example, 2 to the power of minus 1 is equals to half. Now I want to get rid of this, so what do? I log attach log 2 to both sides. Alright, now when I attach log 2 to both sides, what happens here? This becomes 1. Okay, so I get minus 1 here. So log 2 to half, log base 2 to half is equals to minus 1. So these are just the various examples of how you actually do it. Okay, and do remember this.